Ừ thấy. Mày đi.
Look easy, but it's a bit hard, yeah? Nothing inside the hole, yeah? In the beginning. See? Now the smoke come out, yeah? And the dust is from the rotan. Yeah. You see the rotan get burned, yeah? So from this, do the blow slowly, yeah? There you get the fire, yeah? How quick it is, yeah? To get the fire. So, he know how to make the fire, that means he is ready to get married. You don't know how to make fire? Better don't marry. Otherwise, you are not cooking in the home. Yeah.
What do they do if it's rainy and cold?
They will look for, they know how to look for it, yeah?
Okay.
You see, it's already hit the glue and roll the dot, and then now it fix the balancer, yeah? And roughly it was shaped with the knife in a cone shape, yeah? And later, to make it smooth, use the sandpaper leaf. Nak menembak kat mana ni kan?
Tuh, depan.
Mana? Belakang tu.
Ha.
Okay, now for you to see, it's rough, yeah, not that smooth, yeah. So this is to show that before using the sandpaper leaf and after, yeah. After using the sandpaper leaf, you can see how smooth is it, as smooth as a baby skin, yeah.
Oh, you bisa sebagai ini.
You know, so using it to, so that is a special machine, yeah. There, easy machine, and also become a shaving machine, yeah, to pull out the hair. And now you can feel it, yeah. How smooth is it, yeah? Yeah. Very smooth, yeah. Amazing of the leaf, yeah. As a sandpaper, yeah. Can feel, yeah. Very smooth. Yeah. So, in a few minutes, 2 dots or 2 bullets is complete. Only apply the poison, yeah. As fast as that, yeah. Okay, now he is completed with the demonstration of making fire and making up the dot. Now we go to the shooting range to do the shooting, yeah. And you also maybe you got chance to get the experience of the shooting also. Okay, we go over there, yeah.